Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Yeah!
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary
Look at this.
had a little
It is a
lamb,
goldfish.
its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere
Yes!
Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
It followed her to school one day.
Goodbye.
School one day, it followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play.
Look at
laugh
this.
and play,
It is a
laugh and
goldfish.
play. It made the children laugh and play to see her at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so
Look at
the
this.
teacher
It is a
turned it out,
goldfish.
but still it lingered near and waited patiently about.
Goodbye.
Patiently about and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Look at this.
Why does
This is
the
tilapia
lamb
fish.
Mary so, Mary so, why does
Bye-bye.
the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves
Look at
the
this.
lamb, you know,
It is a snow white fish.
did reply.
Woohoo!
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Yes!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.
Yeah!
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a silver raspora fish. Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. This is a lemon fish.
Yes.
Look at this. It is a zebrafish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. This is Nile tilapia fish. Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a pearl gourmet fish.
Bye bye.
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a zebra cichlid fish.
Yes.
Yeah! Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.
Yeah!